EasyClean electric shaver for men with 3 flexible blades that adapts to facial contours for a close shave made easy. The EasyClean system delivers a fast and easy cleaning without removing the shaver head. Li-ion battery for up to 3 weeks of shaving, 50 minutes. 5 minutes quick charge for 1 full shave. 100% waterproof electric razor for wet and dry use. Included, precision trimmer attachment for mustache and sideburns trimming. Great Christmas, birthday and anniversary gifts for him. Perfect gift for husband, boyfriend, dad, and all the men in your life. Braun Series 5 electric shaver for men makes shaving easy with 3 flexible blades that adapt to your facial contours. The EasyClean system delivers a fast and easy cleaning without removing the shaver head. The Li-ion battery provides up to 3 weeks of shaving in a 5 minutes quick charge. This men's electric razor is 100% waterproof for wet and dry use. Compatible with EasyClick system. Precision trimmer attachment included. Box includes 1X Series 5 electric razor for men, blue 1X precision trimmer attachment, 1X protective cap, 1X smart plug for automatic 100 to 240 voltage adjustment, 1X cleaning brush. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent electric razor in all regards. The Series 5 5018s replaces a woefully inadequate and overpriced Panasonic Arc 4. After having owned 7 electric razors, I've come to the conclusion that Braun is hands down the best brand. The Panasonic Arc 4 cost more than double the 5018s, but the charge didn't last over a week. The included cleaning/charging station was totally unnecessary and the display ended up failing prematurely as it has done on all the Panasonics I have owned. After a while, I ended up going back to my cheap Braun 3 series that I gave to my sons and let them use the Arc 4.